big news coming in. Here we have Army Chief now to brief Defence Minister on the Corps Commander level talks that took place at the line of actual control between India and China. The 14-hour marathon meet, in fact, got over at 2 a.m. and sources say that the Army Chief briefed by Northern Army Commander and 14 Corps Commander. Let's quickly cut across to Abhishek Balla for more details on this. Abhishek, this is a high-level meet that has taken place until 2 a.m. The Army Chief now, in fact, to brief Defence Minister on the Corps Commander level talks that took place at the line of actual control. Do take us through the details there.
After those long discussions that lasted nearly 15 hours at the Corps Commander level in Chushul, and it ended at 2 a.m., we are expecting the Army Chief to go and brief Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh on what has transpired. What I've got to know is that internal deliberations are still on to fine-tune the disengagement plan, the roadmap that has been drafted by the two sides, keeping in mind further easing of tensions at the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. It remains to be seen whether the Chinese will move back completely from Pangong Lake. We believe that that was one of the major areas of concern in those discussions, because the Chinese have slightly pulled back from Finger 4 to Finger 5, but India has always maintained that the line of actual runs through Finger 8. So the big challenge would be to make sure that the Chinese completely de-induct from that area, and only after that peace and tranquility can return in eastern Ladakh. The Indian side has always made it very clear that while the first phase of engagement has been successful, where the two sides moved back about 2 kilometers in all friction areas, but Pangong Lake still remains a challenge.
Right, Abhishek, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. Corps Commander meet trying as far as possible to de-escalate the situation on both sides. We're looking at troops also withdrawing on most points. We're going to bring you more details on that in hours to come.